Our next speaker to speak on the topic of happiness is an advantage. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome founder and Chief Happiness Officer of the Learning Minds Group, Mr. Suhail Zindani.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Now, the problem with me is that it's a 20-minute slot and my brain doesn't work for 20 minutes and this clock is telling me that it's 20 minutes. So what I'll do is I'll keep these chits with me so that it tells me where I'm going, what am I doing about, listening to two amazing speakers, and then I know who's coming next. I want to make a disclaimer over here. I'm not here with a story. I'm here to give you a tool that will help you in making your stories better and rather more joyful. And that's the agenda. What I'm going to do is it's going to be rapid fire, and I would like you all to be with it. When you feel like clapping, you can. You don't feel like clapping, it's better you do. But very importantly, it's important that don't try to think कि ये इसको सुनना चाहिए. You know, a typical frame, कोई भी नई बात, ये मैं तो करता हूँ, इसको अगर समझ आ जाए तो जिंदगी बहुत बेहतर हो जाएगी. This is a conversation for you, and I hope we are able to achieve good results out of it. Let's start talking about happiness. The problem with happiness is that the way it has been taught to us and talked to us, there's a problem there. You know, there was this pharmacy, और उस pharmacy के ऊपर एक बंदा था जो उसे चलाता था. वो अपने किसी काम से घर गया. जब वो वापस आया तो वो ये देखता है कि एक शख्स उसकी फार्मेसी के साथ जो एक पब्लिक वॉशरूम था उसके दरवाजे को जोर जोर से पीट रहा है. एंड ही जस्ट आस्क्ड हिज सन, जो उस वक्त फार्मेसी पे खड़ा हुआ था, उसको कहा ये कौन है? तो उसके बेटे ने बहुत खुशी से कहा, पापा ये हमारा कस्टमर है. He got bit annoyed and said, तो फिर ये क्या हुआ? बोला वो मेरे पास आया था और उसे बहुत खांसी हो रही थी. तो he said, तो मैंने उसे लैक्सेटिव्स दे दिए हैं. उसने कहा वो क्यों? उसने कहा ये देखें खांसी चली गई है. And the problem with us is that that's how we have been treating happiness. You see, ये देखें मजा आया कि नहीं आया. And I think that is the problem. I think first and the foremost important thing is that we need to alter the way we look at happiness. And for that, what is needed? We need the right approach. So for that, there's another story for you. And because I'm talking to a lot of people from medical community, I'll give a lot of examples in that context. So this person approached a doctor and said, Doctor, I have an extremely unique problem. Doctor said, what's that? He said, I have farting issue. I'm farting just too much. He said, that's okay. That's okay. I mean, not that that's okay, but that's okay. He said, yeah, but the unique part is that when I fart, it doesn't smell and there's no noise. That's interesting, isn't it? Doctor examined and then prescribed a medicine, and when the person took the medicine, said, Doctor, these are nasal drops. He said, yes, we'll first open up the nose, then we'll work on the ears, and finally we'll come to the real problem. Got the idea? And that's the approach that we're going to take in this conversation about happiness. It all goes back to the equation that we have of happiness. You know what's the equation? The equation is once you are born, you know the bad news. Once you are born, you work hard. You work hard and keep working hard until you become successful. And when you become successful, only then you can become happy. Now, this is happiness as a post-dated check. Until everything doesn't happen, I won't be happy. Yes or no? Hello? We have attributed happiness to something to happen. Only when that happens, I'll be happy. And if that is not happening, I'll be a struggling artist. I think that equation, and you know who has contributed significantly to that equation? It has been our parents. First and foremost, our parents. You see, वो हमें स्कूल में बताते रहे, बेटा अभी ये मस्ती करने का टाइम नहीं है. Serious. फिर आप सीरियस रहे. फिर आप यूनिवर्सिटी में आ गए, आपको लगा अब शायद पार्टी होगी, तो हमें बताइए आखिरी 4 साल है। मेडिकल 5 साल शुरू के, फिर तो असल साल शुरू होते हैं। बस ये आखिरी चंद साल है, इसके बाद तो जिंदगी में मजे ही मजे हैं। अब देख ले मजे। That's where it goes wrong, because it has always been parked to a future date. That needs to change. How it needs to change? Happiness is what you were born with. How many of you in this audience have children under the age of 3 years old? Raise your hand if your children are under 3 years old. Wonderful. They're still not completely corrupted by you. You look at them. You go from home. Yahan se aap ghar pahunche. What are the chances that they'll be happy or sad? Happy? Sad? Now that you have approached, things might change. But otherwise, they would be happy. That's how nature wanted them to be. Then you intervened. And then said, बेटा ये इतना खुश होने का टाइम नहीं है, मुझे देखो कितना स्ट्रेस है, तुम काहे को इतने खुश हो रहे हो? And everything changes around. That's not how nature intended us to be. But I think there is so much associated to compulsion. You know, we've just been too compulsive about things. Too compulsive. मैं इस हद तक गुलाम हो चुका हूँ कि मैं खुश हूँ या दुखी हूँ, ये भी दूसरा तय करता है। क्या बात है यार! I mean, isn't it amazing? मैं अभी आप लोग इस सेशन के लिए, when I was coming to a session during a daytime in Sadar to give a talk on happiness. It's another form of simulation. You see, it's another form of simulation altogether. But while I was coming, I was getting so damn bored driving the car in that all the fuss. There was this young, cool guy driving just next to me. And you know what I did? I just gave him a side. And he kept me engaged for the rest 15 minutes. But imagine how stupid he was. But you know who had the remote? I had the remote. And that, I think, is very sad. हमारी प्रेफरेंसेस पे मैं अक्सर ये बात करता हूँ कि अगर किसी ने दाढ़ी रखी है और मैं उससे कहूँ ना ये मुझे दाढ़ी नहीं पसंद, इसे हटाओ, तो हम बड़ी एग्रेसिव एटीट्यूड में कहते हैं तुम होते कौन हो? और मैं आपके पूरे दिमाग के एटीट्यूड की बैंड बजा के चला जाता हूँ। हमारे जहन में ये ख्याल नहीं होता ये होता कौन है मेरा मूड खराब करने वाला? मैं नहीं होता। आई रिमेंबर वन ऑफ माई वेरी डियर कोलीग्स, he is now in US, and we've worked with him. मैं उसको अक्सर उसकी बेइज्जती करता था और वो होता नहीं था, मतलब वो फील नहीं करता था बेइज्जती। तो मैं उसको कहता था तुम्हें शर्म नहीं आती? वो मुझे कहता था बॉस जब आप मेरी बेइज्जती कर रहे होते तो मुझे ऐसा होता है कि आप कितने दुख में हो गए। तो अब इसमें बुरा क्या मानना? फॉर मी ही वॉज द बेस्ट पर्सन आई एवर मेट, because he chose when to be upset. That was a choice. And I think most of us have just surrendered to compulsion. So thinking कि ये कौन होता है मुझे दुखी करने वाला, I think can be a transformative concept. मैं अपनी मर्जी से दुखी हूँगा. I mean, isn't it amazing? Now you tell me, will dukh be your choice or sukh be your choice? So if you are dukhi, someone else is managing you, yes or no? Simple. One more conversation, and I think with all this Women's Day and this day and that day, I think एक ऐसा segment है जिसके ऊपर बहुत काम किया जा सकता है. We, of all the forms of education, have become rights focused rather than responsibility focused. You know, ये मेरा right है versus ये मेरी responsibility है. And responsibility is a different world altogether. Let me tell you, responsibility in our local context, responsibility in our local connotation. You know responsibility का उर्दू translation क्या है? Anyone would shout it out? No, topi. You'll never see people talking about responsibility in form of zimmedari. They say, this was not my responsibility. This was his responsibility. That's a translation to topi. That is, ये टोपी मेरी नहीं है, इसकी है. While actually responsibility means responsibility. My ability to respond. And I think that is important. हम एक कदम और आगे चलते हैं, and I think there's something that in this profession, and I'm so seeing you and Leeb, I think that was so exciting in a sense that, it just opens up a door that no matter what profession you are into and what most part of your life you spend doing, I think there is always a possibility to do things which at times makes you vulnerable, at times make you scared, but then also opens up possibilities for things that you would have not imagined. But while working with amazingly successful people, one thing that I discovered was that successful people were depressed, and so were not so successful people. Now that's tragedy. देखो, नाकाम आदमी दुखी है, मैं कहता हूं डिजर्व करता है। भाई नाकाम चल रहा है, दुखी हो है, ठीक है, रहे भाई। अच्छा, एक आदमी कामयाब है और दुखी है, इससे कंडोलेंस बनता है कि यार तुमने इसके लिए इतनी मेहनत की थी और तुम अभी भी दुखी हो। आप मेरी बात का यकीन ना करें, आप किसी भी होटल के बाहर खड़े रहें, जितनी बड़ी गाड़ी से उतरेगा इतना दुखी मुंह होगा। ये ट्रेजेडी नहीं है। You know why? Because it's happening without intent. When success comes to you without intent and without involvement, no matter how big it is, you can never celebrate it. How many of you want to lose weight over here? Ah, wonderful, wonderful. Thank you. Keep thinking. Because those who wanted to have already done that, Yeah, we are planning. But say, for example, in a week's time, without any exercise or diet plan, your weight goes down by 10 kgs. Is it what you were thinking of? Desired goal? Yeah. But should you be happy about it? You should refer, one of the hospitals. There's something wrong. So even when desirable state happens without involvement and intent, that can never get us going anywhere. We go one step forward, and I think this is one of corporate's favorite word. You know what's that? Stress. Everyone loves talking about stress management. How many of you have attended a workshop on stress management? And then we were more stressed because now पूरा दिन यहाँ चला गया है, कल काम double हो गया. That is double problem now. So how we are looking at stress management, I think there has to be a different perspective to that. Stress is an outcome of only two possible situations. You don't have the necessary capability required to do that thing, or you don't have interest in doing what is expected out of you. So whenever you feel that you are stressed out, just ask two questions. A, do I need to build interest in doing what I'm doing? B, do I have the necessary capabilities of doing what I'm supposed to do? As a result, our brain shifts from blame to responsibility. And I think that's powerful. Another aspect, this I think is very challenging. I spoke once about it and I was bashed on internet like anything, and I'm doing it again. And you know what's that? People around us come and tell, kill your desires. How many of you have listened to this amazing, profound wisdom? Kill your desires. Raise your hand. Kill it. मैं आपको कहता हूं, kill that person who just gave you this advice. Why the hell you want to kill your desires? Can't we elevate the quality of our desires? रब की खुशनुदी भी तो एक डिजायर ही है ना आपके अंदर. अपनी डिजायर की कैपेबिलिटी को इंप्रूव करें. ये तो जो दुनिया का सबसे थका हुआ इंसान होगा, जिसे अब यकीन हो गया है कि वो कुछ अचीव नहीं कर सकता, ये उसका विजडम होगा. Desires is so eternal to humans. बट प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि हमारी चूंकि लैंग्वेज, एक तो लैंग्वेज बड़ा रोल प्ले करती है. अब डिजायर जो हमारे साथ लैंग्वेज का कॉनोटेशन बड़ा है, वो ऐसा बनाए और पैसा और पैसा. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू थिंक मनी इज बैड? रेज योर हैंड. फैंटास्टिक. बिकॉज किसी ने हाथ उठाया था, मैं उसको कहता गो डाई पुअर. मनी इज गुड इन पॉकेट, नॉट इन ब्रेन. मेक सेंस? Hello? I was at a charitable organization and they were bashing businesses. I said, who is donating you? They said, businesses. मैंने कहा, थोड़ी शर्म. Business is not bad. So is philanthropy. It's simple. But I think it's time not to look at desire as something bad. It's time to look at helping people improve the quality of their desire. I think that's something we all can reflect to. Second last thing that I want to talk about is avoid self-created nonsense. What is that? What is self-created nonsense? You know, most of the thing that we are creating is happening over here. Hello? Yes or no? How many of you have been in love? Raise your hand. I want to see some more hands. You have been in love. अच्छा वो कोई मिजाजी खुदा वाले होते हैं वो नहीं. दुनिया. How many of you have been in love? Come on, everyone. Oh, beautiful. Zabardast. So remember, then you got married, na? Right. So let's look back. When you were in love, remember that beautiful time? Life was so good. कभी कभी जून में भी ठंड सी लगती थी. फूल ज़्यादा खिलते थे. शायद आप में से किसी ने बादलों पे पहला अल्फाबेट तक लिखा हुआ देखा था. लेकिन लेट मी टेल यू हु है, दिस वॉज योर पर्सनल नॉनसेंस. क्योंकि नेचर के पास इतना टाइम नहीं है कि आपकी चीप हरकतों के लिए इतना काम करे. You getting my point? But because you were so pleasant inside, everything was pleasant outside. It's as simple as that. Now, if I engage my brain in creating nonsense, horrible pictures, I was doing a training program. 9 o'clock this person was said. 9:15 बजे हो, चलो मेरा effort था. 9 बजे से दुखी है. It means घर से आया है. I asked him in the tea break time, I went to him and I said, तुम upset लगे? नहीं, मैं कहा दिख रहे हो. He said, यार HR वाले भी कमाल करते हैं. मैं कहा क्या किया? कल क्लोजिंग है, आज ट्रेनिंग में भेजा हुआ है. मैं कहा तो 11 बजे कल बॉस से मीटिंग है. मैं कहा फिर क्या? फिर वो जलील करेंगे. मैं कहा ये कंफर्म है वो करेंगे? बोला मैं लिख के दे दूं. नहीं, मैं कहा मतलब आर यू 100% श्योर? ही गॉट अ बिट एजिटेटेड. मतलब आप चाह क्या रहे हैं? मैं कहा नहीं मतलब यू आर श्योर? उसने कहा एब्सोल्युटली. मैं कहा मेरा मशवरा ये है कि अगर तो आपको इतना कंफर्मेशन है कि वो कल 11 बजे आपको जलील करेंगे, तो मेरा ये ख्याल है कि कल 11 बजे फ्रेश जलील होना. आज से प्रिपरेशन नहीं करूं. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि कल वो जब आपको जलील करेंगे तो आप कहेंगे शुक्र कल से तैयारी में था. इट वोंट हैपन. बट इट्स क्रिएटेड ओवर हियर. And once this is created over here, nonsense starts. So I keep telling people, if this is your story that you are creating over here, why can't we create romantic, pleasant stories? Is it necessary to create horror movies? I think that's important. Last but not the least, of course, and I think for me that's one of those very rare things that if you learn, you're amazing, you're beautiful. And that is be graceful. And grace is a choice. Grace is a choice. You know, unfortunately, we have been nurtured in an environment जहाँ इंटेलिजेंट वो है जो आपकी सही टाइम पे बेइज्जती कर सके, आपको नीचा दिखा सके, ये बता सके कि आप कितने नाअहल हैं और मैं कितना समझदार हूँ. I think grace is something which I think is a fantastic shukriya to our Creator. And of not being that, so this is the last story that I'm giving and I'll sit down. We are not like that chupkali. Let me, now don't see, there's no. एक कमरा था 4 दीवारी का और छत थी ऑफ कोर्स. उसमें 3 चुपकलियां थी. One on this wall, one on this wall, one on center wall. और काफ़ी देर से वो टेड टॉक्स चल रही थी, उन्होंने कहा थोड़ा बाहर फ्रेश हो आते हैं। तो वो इस वॉल वाली जो थी वो निकलना शुरू हुई, यहाँ वाली भी निकल, तो जो सेंटर में छत पे लगी हुई थी ना वो नहीं हिल रही थी। तो ये दोनों बिल्कुल एग्जिट तक पहुंच गई। फिर इन्होंने उसको आवाज दी, बोला तुम नहीं आ रही। तो ये चुप करी, कहती है तुम पागल तो नहीं हो गई हो, दिख नहीं रहा, पूरी छत संभाल के खड़ी हूं, तुम्हारे चक्कर में मैं बाहर गई, ये छत गिर गई तो। बस हम में से बहुत सारे वो तीसरी वाली चुपकली हो जाते हैं, जिनको ऐसा लग रहा होता है कि ये कारवान हमसे चल रहा है, अगर कहीं चले गए। ऐसे लोगों को मैं हमेशा मशवरा देता हूं, एक दफा मर के देखें, यू विल बी अमेज्ड। So with this, I say a big thank you to all of you for listening to this thing, but I would like you to, when you walk out, remember that happiness is an advantage. When you are happy, you will attract more success, more money, more interesting people, more exciting conversation. It's an advantage, and at the same time, it's a choice. God bless you all. Thank you.